How to delete a video on your TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete a video on your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Now go to your profile, choose the video you want to delete and click on it. For example, this one. All you need to do is click on those 3 points and scroll over. You're gonna find delete. Click on it and here you can delete the video. If you don't want to delete the video and just make it private, all you need to do is click on privacy settings and you're gonna find who can watch this video. Click on it and choose if you want everyone to watch this video or just friends, which mean followers that you follow back, or just only you. So click on only you to make this video private. And this is it guys, don't forget to subscribe and like.